What's the meaning of big toe? Big toe. Big toe.
Big toe. Big toe. The term big toe refers to the largest and most prominent toe on a human foot, also known as the hallux. It is situated at the base of the foot and plays an important role in maintaining balance and stability while standing or walking. The big toe is made up of two bones called the phalanges, which are connected to the foot by a joint called the metatarsophalangeal joint. In many cultures, including some indigenous tribes, the big toe holds symbolic significance and is believed to have spiritual powers. Overall, the big toe is a vital component of our anatomy that helps us move, balance and interact with our environment.